Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here's another unboxing review for a Polygel nail kit that I ordered off Amazon. Here you see I have the instructions. It comes with 8 Polygel 30 milliliters. Here you have your dual forms, which I don't use dual forms, or I never have used dual forms, so I always use the nail tips, which I feel like the nail tips are better. Here you have your slip solution, which is a very important product to have. And if you're ordering a Polygel kit, make sure your slip solution comes in there. Here you have your file. Here you have your brush on one end, spatula on the other, which I really like this tool. I just wish that the tops were more sturdy. Here you have your glitters, which some Polygel kits doesn't come with glitter, but this one came with 2. Pretty excited about that. Here, as you can see, I'm just taking each Polygel and putting it on a white sheet of paper just to see how the colors look. I got into Polygel because acrylic thermometer, it's just too strong and it just kind of messed with my nose a little bit, you know. And the builder gel is just too messy. Like, it was just too messy, too runny. But the Polygel is like in between. You can work with it and you can form your nails how you like it, mix the colors up, etc., etc. It's just a lot of benefits that comes with Polygel. All you really need is just a UV lamp, and you can get this Polygel thing just going. These are all the colors that came in the Polygel kit. So if you're interested in getting these colors, I got this kit from Amazon and I just put these colors in the UV lamp and cure them, and this is the final result. If you like these colors and how they look, please look at the description below. Thank you.